to my first stop here. Cheese! Yeah, I made the enemy, so I'm buying a Shadika as the enemy today. $80. There is Shadika with our $1,000 trolley. And see me with me $250. Whoa, what you mean?
Hey guys, so we're back at the house now, cooking, prepping up everything. Let me show you what's going on. The Orient prep station right here, so getting things them nice and ready. So far, my cabbage, string beans, and potato, sweet potato and Irish, as well as some, you know, we'll use up the new chopper for cut up the seasoning for go with the steamed veg. So it's kind of time to just take time, carry everything over to the stove. I'll be using the oven and about 2 pots, and I think Orient needs 2 as well. What do you say, people? Team Sharifa? Or Team Olade? That was lame. Alright, so I'm gonna switch this out. I'm putting the one to get the big chunks. Alright, is this the right way? This seems the right way. Okay. People, I'm going to season up the potatoes and make it marinate a little bit while I heat up the oven and start the chicken. Then I put these in to bake for about 25 minutes and then test it and see. So first, the season that is complete. Then the pepper, which is black. Oh, the breeze takes some. Then 2 bouillons which are cubed. You're not afraid to do me so. You're not afraid to deal with me so. You're not afraid to do that. You don't have to do that. You didn't make it so like, oh, this is so easy. Yeah. That is so easy. Yeah, but take me in a spot where you do. Try to come tactically, you know, demotivate me. Oh, you know, don't have to do that. Powder of garlic. I'm going to need some thyme and
Powder of garlic. What could that cause you?
I'm going to need some thyme as well.
Alright guys, so we get this well clean and so yeah, the competition now gonna know what clap them in them head.
I heard that.
Clean. Okay, let's start chop for a couple of seconds and never turn on the camera. So you're set up the competition people.
So that's what we want to play. I see what you're doing.
So far!
I see what you're doing. Alright, there we go. So it's like his stove as well.
Should I use a bigger flame?
So I'm gonna use some of the frying pan. So far. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna prep the sheet for the baked diced potatoes. I'm gonna put a little coconut oil on it to make sure you know it's greased up and everything, and just spread it out evenly on it and have it in the oven for about 25 minutes before I check it. Yeah, sure.
Alright guys, so I placed my sweet pepper in the oven. Not none of them yet. I just make them, you know, cook a little, get little charred, not burn up. But yeah, make them go and bake a little bit. Check back them in a minute. Shalika have butter in a pot. This there so. This have a chicken pasta. I add some more cheese in it. Shalika add some concoction to this. I don't know what that is. You have put ketchup in there though?
I probably should have.
Yeah.
I'm gonna add some ketchup as early. Didn't like this.
So this is how I go on right as right now.
My potatoes are finished.
You got potato them there so.
Guys, I don't know. I don't think we transitioned to show from last time, but like the potatoes were cooking or burning one side too fast. So that's why I have a little rustic look. But it's okay. It's okay. I put it to steam.
And it cooked down. So.
Yeah.
So check back with you guys in a minute. Alright guys, sorry for the messy background, but we just go.
We're trying to just hurry, yeah.
Yeah, me I stuff the sweet pepper them, you know. Take out a little bit. Stuff it as well. Yes, I can go on to the next one, can you do?
Yeah, it was in the, yeah.
Stuff it in there.
I ain't gonna lie, people, I'm kind of jelly. Well, not really. Liar. It's cool, it's a dope idea. Alright people, for the juice I want to be doing a cocktail. Alright, so I'm gonna make it simple. I've squeezed 1 lime in it already. I'm gonna put about 5 so ice is in there. I'm gonna put some of the strawberry mix. I heard that it's not really the best, but I'm gonna sweeten it. Put that. Then I'm gonna add some syrup to kind of offset whatever taste they complained about. Then of course nothing's a cocktail without liquor. I'm substituting with. Alright, so this is what we have right here. I'm gonna put more ice in it because I can tell it's not gonna be. There we go.
Put some more rum.
I'm gonna put some. I'm gonna put some more syrup, make it sweet, and a little more rum.
A little more of that. No, it's at the supposed to be the main ingredient.
What? This. No, that.
Okay.
Ready? So I'm gonna do a blend.
You're a messy chef.
See what I mean? I'm more of a, the nice side orders like the juice and the
make sure that's tight.
This is tight, yeah.
Okay.
Alright. Blending. This is nice, lovely. Gonna have to do a taste test obviously to make sure that it's not disgusting. Alright people, are coming for the final section before the test, the judging round. We're plating. Orin over here cut up some stripsins. Why am I here babe so strong, eh? Why you here babe so strong, eh? Why you here deal with me some? So people, I'm gonna just try a thing. So I'm gonna put it to them nice, that's up to the side, look roasted and everything. Yes. So I'm gonna feel look tricky now. Look shock on. So it look nice and bubble down. Yes, it tastes good too.
Right, Shani, so you take them too, yeah?
I'm gonna play 2 plates.
Yeah.
Alright, so you 2 nice plates. Lord God, or you make me feel that way too. Alright, I'm gonna play it. Where people are gonna play it. Hi guys, alright, so we're finally finished. I know we're finally finished and they're being very patient and hungry at the same time. So these are gonna be our lovely judges for today. We have Pitako, right? And he actually has a YouTube channel named Let's Talk Davis right here on the screen. The link will be down below. Yes, so please subscribe to him. I'm an uncle, give me the support. Alright, over here, the lovely Paula Jones, which is my mother. Yay! This is Orange's final dish. And they're going to be judging it first. I'll be up next.
So it looks different. It looks different, I must say. It's not something you probably just see on a menu. So it looks different. So I'm hoping that it also tastes different. So I'm going to try just the first part here. Oh, it's like a coleslaw. This section here is like a coleslaw. What do you think, Paula? Can you try it?
I don't even taste.
Why you have to touch my man? Come, get into the spirit of it.
Oh, Lord.
Get into it.
Okay, then let I taste it. Nothing's I want to eat, you know. Yeah.
Just like a little coleslaw, like a mini coleslaw,
Yeah.
which is not bad. So we're gonna get into the meat of the matter, which is now the main part of the dish.
Alright, so this looks like some macaroni mixed up in cheese. I don't know if this is, I guess this is chicken, yeah. Alright, got the night.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you don't see me after this video, you know why. So I was here live. So if you don't see me after this video, you know why. So I'm taking another bite of it. Actually not bad.
Guys, tag one, man.
Actually, it's actually not bad.
Tag one. Very
I've never had something like this before, so this is probably my first. I'm not being biased. This is my first time having something like this.
presentation coming out of a sweet pepper.
Yeah, Jamaican sweet pepper, and it well stuffed to the. You know when Jamaican people cook, whole heap in it. So well stuffed with the stuff in here, which is some macaroni, seasoning, and chicken is in it. It tastes good. I wish you guys could taste it, but it tastes nice. So if it never tastes good, me da spit it out.
And then I want the box.
Alright, more eating, let's talking.
I want me nervous.
So
Oh, the juice as well. Sorry.
I will taste the juice.
Alright, come, go back in. Alright, so the juice.
Alright, people, let's taste the drinks.
That's a part of it as well.
Wow. You can taste a little tongue. It tastes like some little soda shrimps things in it.
Right now, it's better than nothing when they're on the market. Can I tell you so? It tastes refreshing. If you need something to drink, wash down the food.
At summer day.
Yeah, Jamaica hot right now, so this really.
Alright guys, so we're switching over to the next meal. Alright guys, so you know the drill now, this is meal 2. They'll be judging on the same criteria. They're going to taste it and let you know what's going on.
Alright, well, the chicken look like, you know, they are a restaurant alopecia.
For one, it look like it not burn. Simple. That's my first observation. The chicken look like it not burn, which means it's a good thing, that means we can eat.
It's a diced potato, the little veggie on the side.
I thought this was more chicken. So you know who not going at the kitchen. So you know who not going at the kitchen, right? Sorry, but you know. Potato, seasoning turn up. Take one more. Time for the chicken. disclaimer once again, people. If you not see me after today, this is where I was having this thing.
Where is it? Think I want for the chicken.
So go on it. I need some file paper. We carry home. We carry home, you know what I mean? So go on, like a barbecue sauce and thing. You know? Little potato on the side.
Something like somebody and in that eat.
Somebody handed in it?
Yeah, man.
No, okay, well, people can't eat it no more because somebody handed in it. So we're sorry.
Somebody
We're
else.
sorry.
People. Somebody's handed in there.
You man go on
Very
good.
spicy. Yeah, man. This like somebody foot and reaching at it. Potato turn up, man. Very spicy. Tasty, well seasoned. Yeah, man.
Well, Paula, you can stop cook. No one does leave
Yeah,
the
man.
cooking to them, right?
Yeah, man. Very much so.
I'm gonna go on,
Very
man.
much so. Wow. Steamed vegetable are one. Full of flavor.
Full of pepper.
I can't tell you. Garching that.
Whoa!
Spicy steamed veg.
This a one.
I had to change it up, guys. Spicy steamed veg.
This is one of them spicy steamed veg. They ever have it yet before? Try it. It name must drink something now.
Chicken. Yeah, man. Chicken turn up. Chicken are one.
The juice is great. Let me call me like sweet juice, but the juice is great. I'm not gonna mention the jar. People, the jar you can buy them. The jar.
No,
I think Mega carry that straw. You go home. Metal straws. I think I can carry it home.
no, people, man.
Excellent job. They did well. I must say they did well. They did well, and not because we did hungry all day. They actually did well. Great job, guys. Great job.
I'm gonna have to go to a restaurant after today. All I have to do is just call up Shadiq and Orin.
Guys, I must say this was a great dish. I'm really feel good judging this, and the funniest thing about it is that all of this was done on a $500 budget. You get sweet potato, chicken barbecue sauce, spicy vegetable, not to mention what we had before with the sweet pepper and the macaroni and stuff and the coleslaw. You cannot say that you can't have $500 and go home and cook something nice.
You're not
They
eating
did-
a tin mackerel.
Yeah. Well, yeah. No tin mackerel. $500 can actually buy something. You know, sometimes you have $500 you buy food a road and you just not feel good after you eat it. You can actually go home and cook something nice like this and juice and sit down and have a nice meal and you cook it. $500 and this is a healthy meal. You understand? Because a lot of people cook with so many things and you can cook to your feel with $500. $500 people. Me never use $500 and do that yet. So them just show me something that now I can go home and go on the road and cook something for my family with $500. You understand?
Bean, go cabbage, sweet potato, Irish potato.
I beg you one file
Piece of
paper there,
chicken.
please, so I can carry home some of this.
Yeah,
That's
man.
all I have to say because it's good tasting food. And I mean, you tell me what you can cook, what you believe you can cook with $500.
Yeah, comment.
Comment down below. You're not get to taste none of the food, but I'm telling you, I am right here, right now, and I feel good about it.
People,
And not because I'm hungry. It actually tastes nice.
boy, people. As I can say, boy, people.
I ever see Paula drink so much juice. The spicy vegetable really
Can
hit
I
the spot.
tell you? No, man.
And she
Shanika, they go see. No, the spicy vegetable. Better
I
alive.
all of the juice one time.
Better alive. It tastes nice, but come like the pepper drop out in the pot.